We got well over 101,000 applications, and that is 101,000 students, applicants applied. We've got place for just over 6,000, and each of those students probably would have applied for 2 or 3 programs. So if we're looking at the applications itself, it's well over 300,000, but in terms of applicants, warm bodies, over 101,000 matriculants applied for the just over 6,000 places. But you know, it's not a problem that's unique to Wits, and in fact the registrars talk amongst themselves, and we know that many of the universities received literally 13, 14, 15 times the number of places that they've got available. And I think it just speaks to some of the challenges we have in our post-schooling education environment in South Africa. So most of our applications and registrations have been online. We have encouraged as many students as possible to do that online, and it has gone exceptionally well. We have had what we call assisted registration as well, where students had difficulties going online, especially in the environment where there's been load shedding for many of our applicants, anxious about what they're going to be studying, etc. So we have allowed that, where we've had 3 different window periods where applicants, matriculants who've been offered a place, and then they come and register.
Just the heads that applied to UJ is 345,000, and we have just close to 11,000 places. Those are for first time entering undergraduate applications. It's between 3 and 4% that we can actually accommodate. But there is duplication in the system, because we know that applicants apply to more than one university, and that's what makes also the application and selection process complicated, because it's not necessarily that someone that applies to UJ will actually take up a space at UJ. So that's where waiting lists and all those issues come in.